Alright, that may have been the quickest install of all time. You guys may remember on the vlog a couple weeks ago. Probably not, because none of you guys watch my vlogs. Quick warning though. Quick warning. My Jeep is leaking coolant. So coolant was leaking everywhere. So I got a new coolant reservoir tank. A bunch of you guys were saying it's just that. It makes a lot of sense because it's not leaking from anywhere else, and I keep filling it up. And it just drops down just a little bit. It's like right here or whatever. And took the old one off. And I don't know if you guys can see in there, but it's pretty fucking nasty. So I need to do a coolant flush on this thing. It has the original coolant in here from 100,000 miles. So one of the next videos will have to be coolant flush, how to flush your Jeep's coolant or whatever. So anyways, that was a really quick install. You don't even have to, it's not even bolted in, it just slides in as you guys saw. So I don't know really what to do with this. Might turn this into, you know, like a camelback or something. That would actually be pretty sick. Don't steal my idea. But I'm gonna clean this out, put it up, and right now I gotta wash my Jeep. So go ahead and I'm gonna close it out with me washing my Jeep. So if you guys wanna click away, click away. Like the video if you liked it, comment below. Any comments, questions, concerns, I respond to pretty much every comment. And subscribe for more videos like this and more awesome videos with my face on it. So, see you guys later, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.